To add and activate music playlist routine in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, and then tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap compass lock icon at the top right to see the list of the stock routine available. Tap get the best media experience and then select music playlist. Next, tap Spotify playlist and then select the desired playlist from the artist you like. Tap done button and then tap save button to add the selected routine to your routine list. A pop-up menu appears to ask you to add a music widget to your home screen. To continue, tap add. By doing this, whenever you want to play your favorite playlist on Spotify app, you can do so by single tapping this routine widget on the home screen or tap the start button on the music playlist routine. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.